to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Snackies. My dogs are behind there. I know, but it's time to unbox it. So I hope the dogs don't mind. Benji! So let's unbox it. Do you mind an Asda? I saw Madison, my friend, from school. So I may have been unboxing this for the first time. What is that? Okay, guess I unbox the zip. So unbox the first layer. There we go. I'm trying to unbox the second layer. So that won't be that hard. It won't be.
No. Go follow me. Go on.
Okay, easy. Easy does it. Okay. Oh, this just dropped, but luckily we got the ball. Let's open it to see what we got. My goodness. This is so cute. We got the jumbo push pop candy one. Strawberry flavoured.